Ooh, 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 ooh. I don't know what to do. Ooh, ooh. Baby, are you serious about us? Do you want us to work?
Hey there my natural beauties, welcome back to another tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you guys how I recreate this fun flirty Valentine's Day look for dark skinned girls. It's going to be a hair and makeup tutorial, so it's a two-part video. If you guys want to see how I transform myself from drab and not so fab to freaking awesome, then all you have to do is just keep on watching, alright?
Love me, girl, love me. If you don't, then please don't waste my time.
So for my hair, I'm starting the style off on dry, old, stretched, natural hair. It's very dry, as I said, so the first step is of course to moisturize. I'm going to begin first by just spritzing my hair down with some water from a spray bottle. This is going to get my hair nice and soft and a lot easier for me to work with. And once I'm done spraying, I'm just going to separate into smaller sections. This is going to make it a lot easier for me to style my hair. So once I've secured it out of the way, I'm just going to take a small section at a time. And I really want to ensure that the hair is detangled, so I'm just going through with a wide tooth comb to minimize knots when I begin styling. The first product I'm going to use is the Jamaican Mango and Lime Locking Firm Wax. This is going to give my hair a really light hold as well as a nice fragrance. I'm going to spray some more water just to make sure that the product holds to the hair. Okay, so once I'm done smoothing that in, I'm just going to take some olive oil eco styler gel, the holy grail gel for natural hair. I'm just going to add a generous amount of this to the hair. I really want to get kind of like a wash and go type curl pattern, so I'm just raking the product through. You really want to ensure the hair is damp, so I'm just spritzing with some more water. Once I'm done smoothing the product in, I'm just going to twist the hair up all the way from the root to the ends.
Love me, girl, love me. If you don't, then
when I get to the end of the twist, I'm just going to add a perm rod to activate even more curls. I'm just going to wrap that round at least 3/4 of the way of the length of the twist. Alright, one more time if we didn't get that. Take a section of hair, secure the rest out of the way. Ensure that the hair is nice and misted with water. Spritz that down. Once I'm done smoothing that in, I'm going to take some Jamaican Mango and Lime Locking Firm Wax and add that to the hair, smooth that in. Then I'm going to detangle the hair. You want to ensure that the hair is detangled so that there are no knots and the curls form effortlessly. Then I'm just taking some olive oil eco styler, adding that as well, and then simply twisting the hair from the root to the ends. Really easy, simple, 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 simple. Once you get to the ends, of course, add a perm rod at least 3/4 of the way up the length of the twist. So basically, I'm just going to repeat that all over my head. Alright guys, it's very simple, but I really wanted to show you how I did the other side. I want the hair to fall on that side, so I'm just going to go ahead and flat twist that part and just do the same thing that I did on the other side of my head. Twisting it all the way down and then just add my perm rod.
please don't waste my time. Waste my time. Don't waste my time. Waste my time.
So while we allow that to set, we're going to move on to our makeup.
Don't waste my time.
So for the makeup, we always start off with brows, you guys know this. So I'm going into my Bare palette from Profusion, taking this dark brown color right here. And I'm going to use that to fill in my eyebrows. You guys know my brows are thick, so I don't really need a lot of filling in. I just want to get rid of these sparse areas. So once I filled that in with my angled brush and blended that out, then I'm going to move on to cleaning it up with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in Fawn.
Ooh, 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 ooh.
To prime my lids, I'm going to take this gel liner from Clean Color, and this color is called Black Diamond. It has like a hint of sparkle in there, so I thought it was perfect for this dramatic look, and I'm just blending that up into my crease. For a nice reddish brown transition, taking Earth Glow by Milani Cosmetics, my baby, I'm going to take it and just smoke it into my crease just to give me a nice reddish brown transition color that is going to be perfect for my smoky eye. Right on top, I'm taking this black eyeshadow from Black Up Cosmetics. It's their matte black shadow and the color is number 10. Packing this on to make it as intense as I can, and I'm also blending it onto my lower lash line as well. Taking the off-white color from the same Bare palette, I'm going to use that as my brow bone highlight, and I'm going to go right on top of that for even more glow with this bronzer from LA Colors, my favorite bronzer, and it's called Bronze Glow. Alright, now I just want to clean up my fallout and give it a really nice sharp edge. You guys can use a wet wipe to do this, but it's very easy. I just want it to be really nice and sharp to add to the drama. Once I'm done cleaning that up, I'm just lining with a regular black liner. I think this one is by LA Colors as well. Now taking this e.l.f. Volume Plumping Mascara, I'm going to put that on onto my lashes, you know, to add to the drama as well. And then it's on to the rest of the face. So for my face, I'm going to prime with my Wet n Wild Coverall primer. I really love this primer. It's very mattifying, and I love the way it just gives me a really nice flawless base to put my foundation onto. Once I've smoothed that in, I have a lot of smile lines, so I'm going to go over like my smile lines and my smaller wrinkles with some more primer. But this time, I'm just going to dab it into the skin. This is going to help my makeup to last longer, especially in those areas, and to prevent creasing. Once that's dry, I'm going to apply my foundation. Today I'm using my L'Oreal True Match foundation in N9, it's Mahagony. And I'm just stippling this onto my face with my e.l.f. powder brush. Absolutely love that brush, it is so bomb. It works well with everything. I think I said this in another video, but yeah, you guys get the gist. This foundation is so nice though. It's very lightweight and it's a really nice dewy finish. Alright, I'm gonna highlight my face. For my highlights, I'm creating my own color today. I'm using a Mary Kay foundation along with my LA Girl Pro Conceal in Fawn. This is gonna give me a very dramatic, vivid highlight, so to speak. So I'm just gonna use that in all the areas that I normally highlight my face, bridge of my nose, forehead, under my eyes, chin, and I'm also gonna be doing a little reverse contouring as well. So I'm taking that right under my cheekbones, and I'm just gonna use a cosmetic wedge to just blend that out. At first I was kind of afraid. I was like, what the hell is going on? It's not blending, but hey, it looks better after I blend it all out, guys. And I really liked the finish because it was very, very dramatic. I could see my highlight, and that's exactly what I wanted.
Love me, if you don't, then please don't waste my time. Love me, girl, love me.
I'm going to move on to setting my highlights, and I'm using my CoverGirl translucent powder in medium to do this. I'm just going to allow that to bake my concealer so that it stays in place all night. Especially if it's a date night, you really want to ensure that you set that concealer, girl. While I bake, I'm going to move on to contour. I like to do contour now while I bake because it also allows my contour to be a little bit more pronounced. And I'm of course using my Black Up Cosmetics contour stick in number 3. I love the finish this gives. It's so smooth and so easy to blend out. Gonna leave a link in the description bar for you if you really want to check out their products. I'm gonna leave that link in the description bar.
So baby, you got to tell me.
And I'm of course blending that out with the same wedge that I used for my highlight.
Cause I don't want to be alone.
Now I'm just dusting away my excess powder with my flat top Coastal Scents BR something. I don't remember the name of this brush. Will be in the description bar. I'm just going to set my face with my Forever Flawless powder from Jordana. I think this is in number 109. Just gonna set my face, and while I'm there setting my face, guess who walks into my frame, guys? My Valentine. Hey there, Valentine. What you doing on my video? What you doing on my video though? So I begged him some of his snack. He gave me some of his snack, and he gave me a kiss. Alright, Valentine, love you. Alright, come out on my video now. Come out on my video. Alright guys, back to business. After setting my face, I'm just gonna move on to contour. That's my next Valentine, Earth Glow by Milani Cosmetics. Just gonna, follow up my contour with this. I love the way this color just warms up my cheeks. I use it as a blush most of the time because it looks really nice that way, but I'm taking it also along the sides of my nose just to follow up my contour. For a splash of color, I took this eyeshadow. It's actually, yeah, it's an eyeshadow from Black Up Cosmetics. Of course, links will be in the description bar to these products as well. For my bronzer, I used Soliel by Milani Cosmetics. I think that's what it's called. All the products will be listed in the description bar, guys. I just really wanted a really nice dramatic glow, and I love the way this makes it look nice and natural. So yeah, you don't know, glow life. For my lips, NYX liner in Plush Red. Love this red, it's one of my favorites. So I'm just gonna line my lips with this and fill it all the way in. Yeah, and then I'm gonna go on top with another color. After I fill that in, I'm going on top with this Revlon Lies. It's the L'Oreal Infallible Lip Gloss. This one is in Red Fatale. The number will be in the description bar below. I'm just gonna put that right on top. It's a very dramatic, plump looking red. I love the way it's just very, very loud, and it's nice and shimmery a little bit. I'm just gonna clean up the edges of my lips with some concealer to make that lip pop even more. Alright, of course, off camera, I'm gonna go ahead and apply some lashes. And when I came back, my camera was out of focus, but you guys didn't miss anything too much. All I did was just remove the rods from my hair, and I just started to take the curls apart a little bit. It's gonna get in focus after, but basically all I did was take my rods out and separate the curls just a tad to give the hair some volume. So after I did all that, it's gonna be looking something more like this. So I'm just setting my face with my LA Girl Pro setting spray. Really hope you guys enjoyed it. I had so much fun making this video for you. Yeah, leave your comments below. Let me know what you think about the look. Follow my social media. All my links will be in the description bar, as well as the products that I use. Thank you guys so much for the support, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah. Stay naturally beautiful until next time.